Some patterns may ask you to work in the back loop only. When you work into the stitch, there's a front loop, which is the one facing you, and the back loop, which is the one on the back side or furthest away from you. So as I do this next single crochet, I'm only going to go into the back loop of the stitch. And I'm going to yarn over and pull through, and yarn over to pull through to complete my single crochet. I will continue by going into the back loop of the next stitch to work my next single crochet. You're not working in the front loop, which creates kind of this raised, ridged kind of look because that loop is not worked into. And if you do that consistently, so this project, every row is worked in the back loop only, it starts to create this ribbed kind of effect in your work, both on front side and back side. So to work in the back loop only, it's as simple as just only making your stitch in the back loop for whatever stitch your pattern calls for you to make.